So Graeme, at Quickgrind, you don't like doing straightforward stuff by the looks of it. It's another tricky application.
Yes.
What is it?
This is a blisk aerospace part that we've been developing with a software company. It's coming on very well. As you can see it there, it's we're looking at a 75% saving from just using ball nose by using barrel cutter taper tooling technology.
So we hear that a lot, but in this instance, it is gospel.
Oh yes, most definitely. People say it to us all the time, is it a gimmick? It's not a gimmick. You know, if you do put barrel cutter technology onto a part, where it's possible, it's not the answer to everything, you do get savings, you get massive savings. And this part in particular, from machining from just a barrel cutter, from machining from just a ball nose to a barrel tool, you are getting 75% saving. So it's a genuine cost-effective part.
So when we look at these tools, I'm guessing these are the tools that we use on this component.
Most of them, this nest of tools is what was used on this part. You know, there's some conventional ball nose and square end tooling, getting up to the more exotic style of tooling for the cutter paths and different types of strategies. But that little nest of tools there manufactured that part from one lump of metal. It wasn't 2-opt or anything. That sat on a fixture and was machined, finished off like that.
So what was the cycle time?
The cycle time is around about 3 hours 20. So you can imagine the time if you're looking at 75%, you know, you're way up on that. But this is a production part, you know, these are getting produced in volume per day. So at the end of the day, it didn't take a mathematician to realise how much saving you're getting, how much saving for the customer. Minutes is money, you know, that's how it works.
Do you do any easy jobs?
No, we don't do any easy jobs. We're going to our customer, myself, anybody else, we're troubleshooters. We like to get in there, getting amongst the hardest stuff, getting amongst the toughest materials, the most complex parts. You know, we're really pushing this year on the 5-axis technology, barrel tooling, lollipops, lens tooling, and we're getting a good name for it. People are coming to us now. You know, it's taken a while to evolve. It's coming around now, but Quickgrind's getting this reputation now for the people to go to when there's problems. So it's fantastic.
And infinite possibilities. What does that mean?
Infinite possibilities means if you've got a bit of carbide, we'll manufacture something. We're just about developed the infinity sign, but it's quite difficult to get the bends. But we're getting there. And it's the sort of slogan that we use is why compromise when you can customise. People in this industry, so many people compromise. I talk to folk every week and they say we're using this cutter because it's a catalogue. We don't really work to catalogues. You know, we very rarely, we do have a standard range, but if somebody's needing a bit extra fruit length, they need an unusual rad, they're wanting something that's a bit longer than that, we do it, and we don't do it for a lot more money either. We don't look at it as specials, we just look at it as customising a tool that's already in existence. I mean, an end mill's an end mill, you know yourself. So yeah, when it comes to this part of, I'm going to have to buy a special that's going to cost twice the price. It doesn't with us because we understand the situation. You know, we understand that people need to customise to get the part right. And so, like we say, don't compromise. Just come to us and speak to us, and we'll give you the right tool for the right application. Yeah.
So if it's tricky, well, you guys got infinite possibilities. Thank you, Graeme.
Thank you very much. Cheers.